This video will guide you through the steps involved in creating or deploying an image in a offline mode. Offline imaging or deployment can use any of the following bootable resources. Through a bootable media created using the management console like CD, DVD, USB drive, etc. Using the PXE server infrastructure. Using these bootable resources, you can boot on the ManageEngine OS Deployer environment with boot menu to create or deploy an image. The bootable agent contains the Linux bootable files for booting the computer into ManageEngine OS Deployer environment, and has components to create or deploy image. There will be a menu with options Image Creator and the OS Deployer agent to choose imaging and deployment respectively. Let us first see how you can use the bootable media in creating or deploying an image offline. You can create a bootable media from OSD console, for example using CD disk. The bootable OSD agent image is transferred to the media. Now, the computer that have to be imaged or to which the image should be deployed should be booted using this bootable media into ManageEngine Master Image Creator. You will then be able to create an image and store it on a network share. Similarly, to deploy an image, you should first boot into the ManageEngine OS Deployer environment and choose OS Deployer agent. In the image deployment, the agent contacts the license server for acquiring a license and then deploys the image from the network share. Offline imaging or deployment can also be done using the PXE server infrastructure. For this, you should first install ManageEngine PXE server, an additional component on the OSD install or different computer you need. Configure the PXE server and upload the bootable OSD agent into it. Also the BIOS level network boot. The process goes like this: the computer will first get an IP and the PXE server details from the DHCP server. It then contacts the PXE server. Download the OS Deployer bootable agent. You can use the ManageEngine Master Image Creator to create an image of the computer and store it in the network share. Similarly, to deploy an image, choose the OS Deployer agent. In the image deployment, the agent contacts the license server for acquiring a license and then deploys the image from the network share. You have learned about ManageEngine OS Deployer image creator and deployment. For further details, www.manageengine.com/osdeployer